system lab. Now I would like to request Shashwat to tell you about its components.
Hey everyone, nice to be here. Our idea is simple. We wanted to create a dustbin which can manage the waste smarter and eco-friendly. We have used some cool stuff like solar panel, Arduino Nano, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor and rechargeable batteries.
Wow, isn't that amazing? By using some sensors and motors, we have created a gadget that will help you. Now let me tell you how it works. If any solid object comes in the front, ultrasonic sensor detects it. After detecting, it sends a signal to Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano sends that signal to servo motor. Servo motor operates the gears, means rotate them. And the dustbin's lid is open and the garbage is stored inside the dustbin.
And guess what? We have installed a cool feature in it. We have installed a solar panel on its top, which converts sunlight into energy, which keeps the battery charged. And it can run in night also.
Now you must be thinking how it is helpful to the world, our nature, us. So let me tell you, some people think that oh, who will touch our dustbin? This is so gross and it will make us feel sick. But yes, it is true. So we have created a system that all you have to do is to just put the waste in front of the ultrasonic sensor and remove it. After 1 second the lid will open, will throw the garbage and after 10 seconds it will be closed.
And we are also curious to improve our solar panel with more eco-friendly materials for our dustbin. There are many things to explore to make the world better, smarter and greener.
So this was all about our project. I hope you like it. I want to say that ordinary ideas can also make world better. Just need is to think.
Yep, small effort counts and together we can make the world change. Thank you for listening us today. Dream, learn and dream up big to change the world. Thank you.